Hey guys, Dino with DinoRC, and it's mail day. Let's see what we got. This is from RC Garages. Let me show you what I got here. Show you what Bobby has sent us. Open it up. Bobby is the fastest in the industry. I'm going to tell you. I don't even know if it's been 2 whole days yet. Let's see what we got in here. These down. See what we got. Almost got my hand. They say a dull knife is the most dangerous one. Look at that blind. It's trophies. I'm telling you what, those look good. Let me get these out of here. Oh, wow. Look at that blind. I'm telling you what. Look at that blind. Oh, wow. These are all trophies that Bobby has printed up for us for build-offs, and rock competitions. Here's the Tough Truck Challenge when he made us up. We got a bunch of comps that's going to be going on. I hope that you guys can be with us. Our next comp is at Logan, West Virginia, this Saturday, the 13th, April 13th. Down at Chief Logan Park at the pond. If you haven't never been with us, come on down. We're going to have some awesome trophies for it. As you can see, got a lot of classes. Come be with us, have a good time. And you never know, you might even see old Dino on the rocks.